first one is normal. For this machine, it'll be minimum and 1 and about 4.5 wire speed. So you want your weld, all right? So we're going to keep it now on the same amperage, but maximize right to the max with the wire feed. Going the same speed, everything. But as you would expect, it's a low amperage and a lot of wire feed, so you've got a lot of fill material, so you expect for it to be valleys and hills. And number 3, maximum and low wire feed. Maximum with low wire feed. Right. The next one would be normal with fast travel. Then normal slow travel. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So number 1 was normal, just the normal, which that looks not too bad. I think I could have had the wire speed just a little more, but that's pretty normal. And the second one was the minimum with maximum wire speed, and you can see, I mean, it's just not melted properly. It's like, it's just, you can tell. And maximum, number 3 is maximum with slow wire feed, and you can see it's just laying flat down, and yeah, not good at all. And then is 4 was what? Normal and fast wire feed, and normal slow travel. So this should give you a little idea.